Hey, what's up? It's Chris Gerard. I got some new bike parts today, and decided to make a bike check. Alright, so I'm going to start at the front and work my way down and then back. For my grips, I got ODI long necks. And then my brake lever, it's a stock, I don't know, don't really worry about it. Animal illegal linear brake cable. I got Kink lynx bars, 8.25 rise, profile acoustic racing stem, down through a stock headset, and then I have Primo Strand Forks, Animal GLH Folding tire, 2.10. Then I have a Demolition hub. I'm not sure of the spokes. Then I have a Odessey hazard light front rim. Shadow Conspiracy little ones pegs. 2-hip sole frame. Stock cranks. Some green sprocket, I'm not really sure of the name. Stock chain. Fly bikes brake divider. Fly bikes brake setup. Animal seat post clamp, stock seat post, DK seat. I have another Animal GLH folding tire, 2.10. Another Shadow Conspiracy little one pegs. I have a not sure, driver's side hub guard, and then a Shadow Conspiracy V2 cassette hub. I don't know if you can see that. Then Odessey hazard light, rim again, spokes, I'm not really sure. Animal Hamilton green pedals, and yeah, I'm pretty sure that's my bike, I guess. So don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.